Number 10 is Prague, renowned for its stars, winding streets, and beautiful buildings. Number 9 is Milan, an economic superpowerhouse of Italy and particularly famous for fashion and food. Number 8 is Madrid, the capital city of Spain and home to Real Madrid. It is an exciting and dynamic metropolis. Number 7 is Dublin, one of the most walkable cities in Europe. It is home to some of the finest streets and castles. Number 6 is Copenhagen. The city is famous for food, its nightlife, Tivoli gardens, architecture, and museums. Number 5 is Stockholm, widely known as the city on the waters and often regarded as the capital city of Scandinavia. Number 4 is Amsterdam. Amsterdam is famous for its canals, beautiful houses, so-called coffee shops, and red light streets. Number 3 is Berlin. Checkpoint Charlie, Berlin Wall, beers, you name it, Berlin has it. The city has thousands of stories to tell. Number 2 is London. London is one of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world, home to Clock Tower, London Bridge, and the Queen herself. Number 1 is the most visited city in the world, Paris. It is famous for its grand architecture, world's largest museums, parks, food, and of course, the Eiffel Tower. So which one did you like the most? Do let us know in the comment section.